So what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I just want to show you these baby birds that my mum was putting out sticks and stuff. We found these baby birds right here in a little nest. One of the sticks, and mum and dad were right there trying to find them, I think. And we found them right there. There's the one right there. So I just want to show them because I thought they were very cute. Just sitting there in the nest. And we saw them yesterday, but I didn't want to record a video then, so I done it now. And like they're literally right there. Like if you tap the nest, you'll get scared a little. So yeah, I do. So I'm just showing you guys the birds. I think they're the mum and dad trying to find them. I want to pick up the nest and just give it to them. Okay. The little black birdies, they're very cute. That's why I wanted to record. Yeah. Yeah, he opens his beak. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I just want to record that just because I wanted to show you guys like them in the nest there, and my mum was just putting away sticks, and then she found a little nest with two. I think there was one. There might be two in there, but I think there's one little bird in there. Anyway, thanks for 11 times. I also want to do some shout outs. Shout out to Smashy, who also commented on my video. Shout out to him, Focus Cade 46, you know whom. I'll put their links in the description. Also, Soray's World, my sister, I'll put her link. I'll put everyone's link in there. Some other people I'll also shout out. If you subscribe to me, and I'll shout you out in the next video. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to stay awesome. I'll see you guys next time.